Okay, the kids are gonna open the present from Motorcycle Grandma.
Ooh, what are these things? They're butterflies.
What are they?
I think it's got.
What are those? Ooh, those are Mama and Dada's.
Yep.
Mmm. Ooh.
I need that too. I need this.
Molly, those are the shoes. Molly, those are the shoes we left there.
Oh.
We left your shoes there and Grandma sent them back.
They're gummy shoes.
What'd you get? Gummies? Those were already yours.
Look, we have slushy.
What do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say, Sam?
Thank you. Can we open this? And can we both open this?
And what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, Brahma.
Thank you.
Where's my box?
Those are Mommy's. Okay, say, what do you want to say to Grandma?
Bye. Bye.
Here, you want one? Here. Make sure they're good before we end. Here, Molly.
Thank you.
Are they good?
Rummy wants some. Rummy.
Yeah.
Woo.
You good?
I'm a frog.
You're a frog.
All right. Happy Easter. Love you.
Bye.